across your website and I just want to give some feedback on this. What I like about this is so simple and so easy to access. There are informations that are, easy to read and easy to understand, which is the most important is the phone number that clients would look for. So now let's take a look what's happened online as far as what people on the Google search or see. Let's take a look at the customer looking for a service would see on the Google and what we are looking right now. This is a ranking grid and you can see you are number 1 right here in the middle area, which is your Google profile location. That around that it drops off quickly above and another side on the bottom. And one of the suggestions we are giving business on this right now is to put another another profile or another and the website in another corner of the city that you want to grow into. Now let's take a look to see how you are ranking. I'm going to show it to you. So you are here in the 20th position. This is where you're ranking overall in the entire area. So above you and under or following you are the companies who are also offering the same as you do. Now, so you know what we are thinking or what we can suggest is, like I said before, is another website and another business Google profile. We're going to send you an example of a website that we built as a test model that we could brand for you and help you put up another profile to get you more jobs and more work to do. And if you are interested or if you have an increase, please let us know. Thank you.